Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to cover most important topic of GPAT and NIPER examination, that is various spectrometric techniques and their applications. First technique is a plasma emission spectroscopy, which is based on the principle of atomic emission after excitation in high temperature gas plasma. Application is the determination of metals and some non-metals, mainly at traces level. Next technique is the flame emission spectroscopy, which is based on the principle of atomic emission after flame excitation, and the application of this technique is the determination of alkali and alkaline earth metals. Next technique is the atomic absorption spectrometry, which is based on the principle of atomic absorption after atomization by flame or electrothermal means. Application of this technique is the determination of traces metal and some non-metals. Next technique is the atomic fluorescence spectrometry, which is based on the principle of atomic fluorescence emission after flame excitation. Application of this technique is the determination of mercury and some non-metal at traces level. Next technique is the X-ray emission spectrometry, which is based on the principle of atomic fluorescence emission after excitation by electron or radiation. Application of this technique is the determination of major and minor element component of metallurgical and geographical samples. Next technique is the gamma spectrometry, which is based on the principle of gamma ray emission after nuclear excitation. Application of this technique is the monitoring of radioactive element in environmental samples. Next technique is the UV visible spectrometry, which is based on the principle of electronic molecular absorption in solution. Application of this technique is the quantitative determination of unsaturated organic compounds. Next technique is the infrared spectroscopy, which is based on the principle of vibrational molecular absorption. Application of this technique is the identification of organic compounds. Next technique is the nuclear magnetic resonance, that is NMR, which is based on the principle of nuclear absorption, that is change in spin state. Application of this technique is the identification and structural analysis of organic compounds. Next technique is the mass spectroscopy, which is based on the principle of ionization and fragmentation of molecule. Application of this technique is the identification and structural analysis of organic compound. Thanks for watching this video.